Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about Monzo, the UK's most popular online bank. I've been using Monzo for a few years now, and I've been really impressed with it. So, in this video, I'm going to share my thoughts on whether or not Monzo is the best online bank in the UK. What is Monzo? Before we get into the pros and cons of Monzo, let's first talk about what it is. Monzo is a digital bank that offers current accounts, debit cards, and a variety of other financial services. It was founded in 2015 and has quickly become one of the most popular banks in the UK, with over 4 million customers. Pros of Monzo. There are a number of reasons why I think Monzo is a great bank. Here are some of the pros. Easy to use. Monzo is very easy to use. The app is well designed and intuitive, and it's easy to set up and manage your account. No fees. Monzo doesn't charge any fees for most of its services, such as making payments, withdrawing cash, or using your debit card abroad. Good customer service. Monzo has a good reputation for customer service. If you have any problems, you can get help quickly and easily. Great features. Monzo offers a number of features that make it a great choice for many people. Some of these features include the ability to set spending budgets and track your spending, the ability to save money in pots, the ability to get instant notifications when you make a transaction, the ability to freeze and unfreeze your card, the ability to get a free overdraft. Good value for money. Overall, I think Monzo is a good value for money. It's a great option for people who are looking for a simple, affordable, and easy-to-use bank account. Cons of Monzo. Of course, there are also some downsides to using Monzo. Here are some of the cons. Limited branch network. Monzo doesn't have any physical branches, which can be inconvenient for some people. No checkbook. Monzo doesn't offer checkbooks. Limited investment options. Monzo doesn't offer a wide range of investment options. Is Monzo the best online bank in the UK? So, is Monzo the best online bank in the UK? It's hard to say for sure, as there are a lot of great options out there. However, I think Monzo is a great choice for many people. It's easy to use, affordable, and offers a wide range of features. Overall, I'm very happy with my experience with Monzo. I think it's a great bank and I would definitely recommend it to others. If you're looking for a new bank account, I encourage you to check out Monzo. Here are a few additional tips for using Monzo. Set up spending budgets. This is a great way to track your spending and make sure you're not overspending. Save money in pots. This is a great way to save money for specific goals, such as a holiday or a new car. Use the Monzo app regularly. The Monzo app is a great way to stay on top of your finances. Take advantage of the features that Monzo offers. There are a lot of great features that Monzo offers. Make sure you're using them to your advantage. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos about personal finance. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.